morning, standard 8 students. Today I am going to explain the cylindrical formula. What is cylindrical? First of all, cylindrical. If the same radius circle we put together, it will take the shape of cylinder. Right? It means the one piece of cylinder that is in the shape of circle. Okay, clear? So this one, see the diagram. This is the base of the cylinder. This is the top portion of the cylinder. And since it is solid, solid means three-dimensional figure. So we cannot draw exactly on the plane figure, and board is a plane figure. So we cannot draw the cylinder on the blackboard. So, but once again, when we take the same radius circle and put it together, keep it together, it will take the shape of cylinder. So this is the base of the cylinder, this is the top of the cylinder, and one piece of cylinder is in the shape of circle. So suppose this is the center of the circle, this is also the center of the circle. From center to the circumference, this is the radius of the circle, this is also the radius of the circle, and from this point to this point, top one, this is height of the cylinder. Right? Now we have to find the volume of the cylinder, total surface area of the cylinder, lateral surface area of the cylinder. So first question, total surface area. What is your area? And you know the unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. So how will get the area of the cylinder? To area of the cylinder, see this is circle. So what is the area of this circle? Pi r square. So when, and what is the circumference of the circle? The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r h. So circumference of the circle 2 pi r h in 2 pi r. This is circumference of the circle meter, into this height multiply this total height of the cylinder. Then this is also in meter. Then it becomes 2 pi r h meter square. Now see, it is the unit of area. But since here it is total surface area, so when we talk about the total surface area, means we have to include the bottom area as well as the top area. So this is the area of this portion area, 2 pi r h. What is the area of this portion and this portion? Since it is circle, so one circle area is pi r square. So total surface area 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square means 2 pi r square. This is meter square. This is the formula to find for the total surface area of cylinder. Now lateral surface area. Lateral surface area or curve surface area. Okay. So lateral surface area of curve surface area means leave the bottom and top portions. So bottom portion is pi r square area, top portion is also pi r square area minus this area. Then from the total surface area, when we minus this 2 pi r square, what will be left? 2 pi r h meter square. This is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. This is the formula for the lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder. So this is total surface area. What is the formula of total surface area? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square meter square or centimeter square. What is different question? Lateral surface or curved surface area 2 pi r h, leaving the bottom and top portion area. Then we have only 2 pi r h meter square. Now volume unit you know, that is centimeter cube or meter cube. So how will we get meter cube? So first we take the area of one circle. What is the area of one circle? Pi r square. This unit is meter square into multiplied with the height of the cylinder h meter, that is pi r square h meter cube. This is the formula to find out the volume of the cylinder. So there are three formula to find out the volume of the cylinder. Once again, first total surface area, lateral surface area, and the volume of the cylinder. Now see one question how you will solve by using this formula based on the cylinder. The first question, find the capacity. Question number Question number 4. The curved surface area of cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Question number 4. The curved surface area of cylinder of height 14 cm is given 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. We have to find the diameter. So, curved surface area formula you know. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. This is the formula. Now, curved surface area value given 88 cm square. This is given. 2 pi value you know 22 by 7. R not given. H given how much? It is given 40. So 7 to the 40. 22 to 44. 44 to the 88. 2 cancel. So R is equal to 1 centimeter. What is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 into R, that is 2 into 1. Check the calculation, it is correct or not. Centimeter. This is the diameter. So 88 given once again, the circumference given 88. 2 pi value 22 by 7. R we have to find. H given 40. 7 to the 14. So 2 into 22 means 44. 44 into 2 means 88. Cancel. So R is equal to 1 centimeter. So diameter is double of the radius, means 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. Thank you.